Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. First, you need to go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you want to freeze columns. After that, click on the column letter, like A, B, or C, to choose the column just to the right of where you want to freeze. Now in Google Sheets, place your cursor where you want the column to be frozen. So, I will highlight this to make it easier. Now if I place my cursor on this yellow box, the first 3 rows and the first 2 columns will get frozen. After that, go to the top and click on View. Next, click on Freeze for the drop-down menu. Now to freeze both rows and columns, we will need to do it in 2 steps. So firstly, we need to freeze the rows up to row 2. Now you will notice this horizontal line, and as I scroll down, it remains frozen up to that specific row. Now again, go to the view at the menu at the top, then click on freeze and then tap on up to column B. So everything before column B is now fixed in place. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.